I really hope you can hear me. It's because I don't want to wear earphones and I really hope whatever I'm about to say is heard. So, this is officially the first episode of Thoughts with Tiwari. I've recorded various videos, but I just never had the courage to post them. But today I was like, you know what, screw it, I'll just do it. Today I was just gonna talk about how a few things happened like 3 days ago and everything, about how my friends and I called out problematic people, but then, I and them, all of us got like a lot of messages, comments, derogatory comments, graphic pictures in DMs, and just basically a lot of bullying from their side because they couldn't accept the fact that they were being problematic, which is all fine. It's all past things now. I don't really care about it. People don't want to understand why they're being wrong. I can't force people to change their perspective on things, and neither can my friends, and I do the same. Today, my another friend is going through the same thing where some people are bullying her. It's not even trolling at this point, and they're just, you know, being really, really disgusting. She's standing up for herself, but for that, she gets rape threats. Imagine you are making content out there for people to educate them, right? You want to tell them, listen, hey, I think this is how you should perceive this is how you should look at. Do you see the reasoning behind this? And then getting trolled for that, and then while you're taking a stand for yourself, you get rape threats. Taking a stand for yourself results in this: a woman barely speaking about what bothers her and how the society should be. This is the reaction that is welcomed to them. And what gets me the most is that these people who do that, they don't even try to understand why they're wrong. They don't even want to have a conversation about why they're wrong. They don't want to put in the effort to know why we think they're wrong. They have enough data, energy, and the internet to make such shit on the internet, but they won't just go to Google and find out about feminism or just the whole not all men ka concept and whatnot. And it's really sad. It's because I don't want to live in a world where people don't want to accept the fact that they might be wrong. I get people tell me that I can't take hate. You are sending me hate. I can't take criticism. You are sending me hate. That's not criticism. You want to tell me, you want to criticize me, be like, hey, listen, I do not like what you said about this. Maybe you could have said it in this way because this is the right thing. This is that. And maybe help change my opinion on that. Not be like, you don't deserve any of this. You don't deserve that. Please delete your account. You don't deserve Instagram. Instagram, remove her account for indecent speech and hate speech. That's not done, right? Everybody deserves to put their opinion out there, and everybody's opinion and perspective changes when they're provided with facts. It's as simple as that. You can't shame people for changing their opinions because they change for the good, but if they change for the bad, then bhai bhagwan jane tumhara kya hoga. So it's just the mentality of everybody that really scares me and shivers me. I thought I should make a reel on this, I should make an IGTV on this, I should do that, but I can't keep on creating content out of everything. Not everything is content. Some things need to be addressed normally, or just this frustration should be taken out normally, which is what I'm doing right now. I don't want to write long ass paragraphs about this. I don't want everyone to tag me here and there. I just want to put it all out there. I just want to speak my heart out. I could have gone live and done that, but then it would have been only for the 30-40 people that watch it. But I just want to be there forever. That's all I'm trying to say. So it's just the male fragile ego combined with I can't even think clearly. It's so sad. You can't put anything. My friends and I are feeling scared to put content out there because we don't want our account to get taken down. It's because Instagram has warned me that they were going to delete my account because I said men are stupid, but they won't remove the account of people who are doing this bullshit. Do you see the double standards? Do you see? क्या करूँ मैं? क्या करूँ? Oh ladies, मैं हूँ आदत से मजबूर. So I just want to know that I just want to tell you that if you're watching this, please try to be a better person. Criticize people. People deserve criticism. I don't think people deserve hate. Yeah. People like them deserve hate is because even if when you're presenting them with facts and you're telling them, listen, we think you're wrong, and they still continue to disrespect you, fuck them. Literally, fuck them. I don't give two shits about such men or people, in fact. So yeah, just try to be a better human being kind. Listen to what people are trying to say. And just have conversations instead of just bullying people. That's all I want to say. I don't want this video to extend to 5 minutes, so I'm just going to end this now. I have a lot more to say, but I guess for next time. Bye!